Okay. We will discuss also Shiba Inu, no? Ang daming investor nito and ang dami din na nag-hold ng Shiba Inu. Okay, let us discuss the entire market and what will be the possible move ni Shiba Inu, no? If we plot daily time frame support area is here, no? Okay, there's a support area there at nagkaroon siya ng pullback, no? This is also a sign of recovery, no? And yung pullback kasi nakadepende yan sa kay Bitcoin. No? Whenever Bitcoin will have a stable price above 90,000, as mentioned also earlier, no, with the dog analysis, okay, probably Shiba Inu also will have a recovery. Okay, plotting the resistance, we have also here, and enabling our indicator. Okay, napaka-choppy yung market niya. So there is also a switch of direction. Nagkaroon siya ng breakout and it will be first target around this area. Ayan. Yan yung first target natin. Okay. Ito yung first target niya. No? Also that meron din siyang kunting resistance dyan. No? IMA 200 around 10660 yung magiging target dyan. No? Ito yung target natin. Okay. So, ang question is that, is it good also to get in for long? Medyo taas na kasi yung pump niya eh, no? So, during weekend, yung rally ng altcoins, no? Baliktad na. Okay, so let us check sa weekly time frame, no? Ano yung itsura niya. Okay, weekly time frame ni Shiba Inu, there's such no buy signal, no? Sa daily time frame pa lang meron, no? Okay, kasi pag may buy signal kasi itong indicator natin, there is a high chance ng continuation. No? So ngayon wala pa. Okay, let's go down to the intraday. No, we'll use first time frame for our entry, no? Para yung direction ng mga pumps and dumps din. Okay, so the correction ng breakout and move siya above EMA 200 ng force time frame, no? Yung kaibahan kasi ng dog kasi natin is hindi masyado malakas, no? Unlike this one, napakalakas yung Shiba Inu, no? But as you can see also, nasa resistance na tayo, R3, o similar to dog also, probably anytime soon magkaroon to ng retracement, no? Medyo malayo din yung retracement na inabangan natin, no? Yung retracement kasi yung expectation natin sa IMA 200 eh. Or kahit ano lang, kahit magsa-sideways siya dyan, no? Bago siya magkaroon ng continuation. Okay, so on our time frame, there's no such sign of retracement and probably pwede niya i-retest tong low na to, no, kapag hindi siya makabasag ng 4 hours time frame na resistance around 9041. Okay, so yan yung isa sa mga resistance kasi marami yung resistance, the R3 or the last resistance natin for 4 hours time frame. Okay, so ano yung mangyari dyan? Okay, sa 15 minutes natin, we'll try to follow the trend kasi yung trend kasi yung inuuna natin para malaman natin yung possible na mga retracement, possible continuation ng market. Okay, so probably magkaroon siya ng sideways dito or konting dump dito. Try to retest the trend line. Kapag mag-success yan, it will have another rally dito. Same with what happened here. Retest, tapos nagkaroon siya ng break, and then yan yung possible na gagawin ni Shiba Inu. So, we'll try to see if saan tayo makapasok dito. Okay, so pwede din natin ito pasokin tomorrow. What will be the final judgment for Bitcoin, whether Bitcoin will stay above 90,000 or baka it will go deeper, no? Parang i-hype lang niyan yung market and then karon siya ng magandang bagsakan, no? As of now kasi sa higher time frame, all altcoins, no, around 90% of the altcoins, no, lahat-lahat sila is ano siya eh, nagkaroon ng retracement, no? And then nagkaroon also siya ng kunting recovery, but because of Bitcoin, no, ito yung nagda-drive ng market sentiments ngayon, no? Kasi yan kasi yung king of the coin, no? Kaya nagkaroon siya ng um, um, significant factor impact sa mga altcoins na itong si Bitcoin. Okay? So that is for Shiba Inu, no? Tingnan natin if ano yung mangyayari this weekend. Okay? Thank you. Thank you. That will be all for the Shiba Inu.